everyone! Welcome back to my vlog, and for today's video, I will be going to show you on how to draft the pattern for front and back bodies. So this video will benefit all the viewers, especially to those who are planning to pursue dressmaking and tailoring. And also for the students who are currently taking and planning to pursue Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Home Economics. You can use this video as your reference in making the draft or the pattern of your front and back bodies. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. Hello everyone! So for this pattern, you need 1/4 sheet of Manila paper, tape measure, marking pen, ruler, and a French curve. But since I don't have French curve, I just use protractor. Let's start the pattern by drawing a perpendicular line. After which, mark the corner with A. So A is our starting point. From point A, we have to measure 3 inches downward to locate point B. From A, we have to measure 5.5 inches to locate point C. C is considered as our chest height. From A to D, you need to get 1/2 of the armhole. For example, the armhole is 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. So that is point D. From point A to locate point E, use the figure length. Example, the figure length is 15.5 inches. Always start with A, so that is point E. Project points B, C, D, and E to the right with a straight line using ruler. From point A to point F, use 2.5 inches for the neck width. Connect F to B using the ruler. Using protractor, shape the neckline. The position of the protractor should look like a letter J. A to G, use 1/2 shoulder measurement. So for example, the shoulder measurement is 13 inches divided by 2. So that is 6.5. That is point G. G to H, measure 1.5 inches downward and then draw a straight line. Connect point F to H with a diagonal line using ruler. Next step is to locate point I. So from C, going to the right, use 1/2 chest measurement. Let's say that the chest measurement is 11 inches and a half divided by 2. So that is 5 3/4. Connect H to I with a diagonal line. To get point J, start from point D to the right. Use 1/4 bust measurement. Let's say that the bust measurement is 31 inches divided by 4. That is 7 3/4 and add 1 inch to the right. That is point J. Next is to shape the armhole using the protractor from point I going to point J. Next is point K. From E to K, use 1/4 waist measurement. Example, the waist is 25 inches divided by 4. That is 6 1/4 plus 1/2 inches for the darts. After that, you have to connect point J to K with a diagonal line. From line A to the right, get the bust height. Example, bust height is 8 inches. Measure it downward to get point L. To get point M, start measuring from point E. Use 1/2 bust distance. Example, the bust distance is 7.5 divided by 2. That is 3 3/4. So from M to the left, measure 3/4 inch, and to measure point O, measure 3/4 inch to the right. Make sure that the distance of point E to N is the same with the distance of L from the left. Let's say that the measurement is 3 3/4. Move it upward for point L and measure it also by 3 3/4 to make it the same. Connect L to M, L to N, and L to O using ruler. Our front bodice is almost done, but you need to finish it by connecting the dart to the waistline. All you have to do is fold the dart by folding point O going to point N. Then connect E to K with a straight line. It is very important to connect it and make it straight so that it will not have a notch. This is now the pattern for our front bodice. For the back bodice, trace the mark of your front bodice. From point A downward, measure 1 inch to locate point 1. That is the depth of back neckline. Shape it using protractor from point F going to 1. To get the back shoulder, you need to raise 1/2 inch from point H to get point 2. Connect point F to 2 with a diagonal line. To get the back armhole, measure 1/2 inch from point I going to the right to locate point 3. To get point 4, from point J to the left, measure 1/2 inch. And then from point K to the left, measure 1/2 inch to get point 5. Connect 4 to 5 with a diagonal line using ruler. Shape the back armhole starting from point 2, passing to 3, moving to point 4. Let's proceed to the ward of the back body. Start from L upward, measure 1 inch. That is point 6. Then from M going to the left, get point 7 by measuring 1/2 inch and do the same measurement to the right to get point 8. Connect point 6 to point M with a straight line, and then point 6 to point 7 and 6 to point 8. So this is our back bodies, and to complete, you need to fold the dart by connecting point 8 going to point 7. And then using a ruler, draw a straight line from point 5 going to point E to make the waistline straight. This is now our back bodies. I hope you learned something from our video. Thank you for watching.